rationally. Artificial intelligence is the ability of the computer program to learn and think. And there are some examples of artificial intelligence like Google Maps, self-driving cars, robotics, e-payment, digital assistant, social media, and so on. If you know that artificial intelligence is can process vast amount of data and identify the human pattern, means it cannot be replaced the human intelligence. So it can be understand that AI cannot be replaced by a human intelligence. So we all know that artificial intelligence will replace human intelligence. But for group discussion, all suppose that artificial replace the human intelligence. We discuss about after replace the human intelligence, what its causes and consequences. Now I request you all the participants to give your viewpoint.
Now we can describe causes of artificial intelligence. First one, the cause of intelligence. Artificial intelligence is to replicate human intelligence in a machines and imitate their actions. Second one, artificial intelligence is analyzed using a new analyzing method and an operators for generating AI cause analyzing pattern. AI is the desire to solve the problems and to relate to rationalize and to optimizing expected utility.
There are many causes of the artificial intelligence. The cause of AI is the ability for its intelligence system to execute agency and appear it. AI enables automatic network operators and maintain large-scale 4G, 5G heterogeneous network.
I agree with him. I tell about positive consequence will AI replace humans. First one, reduction in the human error. One of the biggest benefit of the artificial intelligence is that it can significantly reduce error and the increase accuracy and the precision. The discretion taken by AI in every step is decided by the information previously created and a certain set of algorithm. Example is reducing the risk of a human error and improving patient safety in the healthcare. Zero risk. Another big benefit of the AI is that human can overcome many risks by the rating AI than for us. They can providing accurate with work, greater responsibility and not wear out easily. Example is zero risk is the full automated productivity line in a manufacturing facilities. 24/7 availability. There are the many studies that show humans are the productive only about 3 to 4 hours work in a day. Women also need books and the time to balance their work life and the personal life. But AI can work endless without break. Anything much faster than humans and perform multiple tasks at a time with accurate result.
I agree with her. I tell about the negative consequences of artificial intelligence. First one, high cost. The ability to create a machine that can simulate with the artificial intelligence is no small feat. It requires plenty of time and can cost a huge deal of money. AI also need to operate on the latest hardware and software to stay updated and meet the latest requirements, thus making it quite costly. Second one, no creativity. A big disadvantage of the AI is that it cannot think outside the box. AI is capable of learning with the pre-fed data and the past experience, but it cannot be creative on its approach. With example, its example is a bot tool that can write reports which contains only data and the facts already provided to the board. one is unemployment. One of the application of artificial intelligence is robot, which replacing jobs and increase the unemployment. Therefore, some claim that there is always a chance of unemployment. There will always a chance of unemployment to increase unemployment of replacing the human beings. Third one is make human lazy.
Summary of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a method of making a computer controlled robot or a software think intelligently like the human mind. Cause of AI. Why artificial intelligence is a mass of design. The cause of AI is the ability of intelligent system to exhibit agency and appear. Advantages of AI. AI can accomplish things more quickly and preciously than human. Unlike human who repair, rest and sleep, system can operate separately. AI can easily handle and process big data. Disadvantages of AI. The cost of implementation of AI is very high. Data can be doubtful and non-secure. AI lacks soft skills. AI don't match human creativity. Thank you.
After listening all the participants, we reach at the result is no AI will not replace human intelligence, as it is a human who are developing with programming and algorithms. Let's discuss the reason that AI can't replace human intelligence. AI has no physical form. AI lacks emotional intelligence. AI can't match human creativity. AI lacks soft skills. Automation needs humans. Conclusion. To conclude, we can say that AI system requires human input and oversight to perform. Ultimately, AI is not a replacement for human intelligence. It is a tool that can help us to achieve our goals. But we need to ensure that we use it responsibly and ethically. Thank you.